Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to attach an oxygen cylinder with a mask. First, prioritize safety. Always ensure the oxygen cylinder is stable and upright. Check the cylinder's oxygen level to confirm there is enough supply for your needs. Carefully inspect all equipment for any damage or blockages. Finally, wash your hands thoroughly to maintain hygiene. Next, let's connect the regulator. Align the regulator's pins with the corresponding holes on the cylinder valve. Once aligned, firmly tighten the T-handle screw to secure the regulator in place. Slowly open the cylinder valve, turning it one full turn, and listen carefully for any hissing sounds. A hiss indicates a leak, so re-tighten the connection if you hear one. Now, let's attach the oxygen mask. Connect one end of the oxygen tubing to the regulator's outlet port. Then, attach the other end of the tubing to the inlet port on the oxygen mask. Adjust the oxygen flow rate on the regulator precisely as prescribed by a medical professional. Finally, ensure the mask fits snugly over the nose and mouth for optimal oxygen delivery. For our final steps, confirm oxygen flow by observing the reservoir bag on the mask inflating and deflating. Continuously monitor the patient's breathing and comfort levels. Regularly check the cylinder pressure gauge to ensure adequate oxygen supply remains. After use, turn off the cylinder valve completely, then bleed the regulator by turning the flow knob to 0.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.